So one of our members of our audience has asked, do maintenance teams need to change the way that they manage maintenance processes in order to start working with remote diagnostics and predictive maintenance?
Good question. I would say no and yes. Um, Perhaps uh, for all the new tools, of course, when you want to fix an issue, the tools is not the only resources that you need to improve your global efficiency. And of course, you need to be able to have resources trained on this tool, who understand very well the tool and use the tool as its maximum ability. So no, straight away you can use the tool very quickly and it's easy to use. Of course, the main challenges for the maintenance and the asset management is not to play with the tools, but to use it at the right level to be able to deliver the benefits of the tool. And of course, you have to train the people. Of course, sometimes you have to adapt your processes to ensure that the new way of working will be adapted. Of course, when you start to work on preventive maintenance optimization with automatic information or data information who enables us to do automatic preventive maintenance, you have to change your technical maintenance plan. And so it changed the way that you are working. And so, of course, if you start to use the tool without clear change in your processes, it will move and you will have to work on the optimization of your resources and processes.